Hello guys, today's recipe is some garden egg sauce or garden egg stew. You are going to love this. Please subscribe, share this video, like and comment. And so I'm going to boil these. That is my beef, salted beef and wale. I will first boil the beef to some tenderness before I will add my wale to it, and I'm going to chop my garden eggs. I'm going to chop them into the size and the shape that I want. You can also decide to boil the garden eggs and then take the skin off or grind it. So my beef is a bit cooked, so I added the wale and I'm adding turkey berries to it, and I'm done chopping my garden egg, so I'm going to cook that one also. Okay, so I'm going to blend my pepper, ginger, garlic, onion, dawa plus the tomato seed, and I just added a mixture of natural mixed spices. Okay, so I'm going to blend that very smooth, and I'm also going to check on my beef and wale. So I'm going to add the turkey berries. I'm going to take them out, add it to the ingredients and blend. My garden eggs is also ready. As I said, you can boil it and then blend it. You can also decide to boil it and take the skin off and take the seeds out also. So I already have my red oil, palm oil on fire. Just added in my salted fish, that is Kobe, almighty Kobe. I'm going to fry this a bit and then I'll take it out of the oil. Okay. So it is ready and I'm taking it out of the oil, and I'm going to pour in my blended ingredients. Add a little bit of water, rinse the blender with a little bit of water and add it. Okay, so stir everything together. Then I'll cover and allow it to cook. Okay, so I'm checking on it now and I'm going to stir, and I'll be adding my sliced tomatoes to it. Then I'll give it a little bit of water. Then I will also add my beef and wale to it at this point. I will not allow the tomatoes to cook fully before I'm adding it at this point, so that it will cook with it. Okay. Okay, so let's check on it now. It's getting ready. Okay, stir everything. A bit of water just to loosen up. It's too thick in the okay. So please subscribe, like this video, share and comment. So we are checking. I'm going to add my fish, smoked fish to it. Yes, my smoked fish. I'm going to add it to it. So I'm going to add my seasoning to it, all-purpose seasoning. Okay, then this sauce, I didn't add salt to it at all because the Kobe, the salted fish, is already salty. The beef is also salty, so I did not add salt to the sauce at all. Okay, so at this point I'm going to add in my boiled garden eggs. Garden eggs. Oh yeah, some more. Okay, so I'm going to add it to it, stir it together, then I'll cover for 5 minutes, and that will be it, because the garden eggs is already cooked, and so we are not going to cook it too much, just a little bit, and everything will be okay. And so this is it. Just cover, then allow it to cook for 5 minutes. My garden egg stew is ready. Yes, very much ready. and I'm going to enjoy it. We are going to enjoy it together. But at this point, I'm going to add my onion and the salted fish, that is the Kobe, to it. Then give it 1 minute and that will be okay. 1 minute and that will be okay. Okay, so just a minute and it's ready, because I don't want the onions to be very tender. So just a minute and we are done cooking our garden egg stew. Okay, so that is it, ready for us to enjoy. This one there now is 100% ready. Okay, so this is it. You can serve this with rice, you can serve this with yam, plantain, or anything you want to add sauce. You can serve with it. Okay, so give it a try, you will love it. It is so great. And this garden eggs is zoo garden egg stew. Thanks so much for watching. Have a blessed day. Bye bye. Watch out for another recipe.